Our brothers and sisters are suffering in Gaza and in Palestine in a way that is such, the prolonging of it is making us people who don't mention it much anymore. Part of Shaitan's plan. The same happens to a lot of people. You suffer for a while, people talk about you, and after a little while, no one talks about you. From now, we need to understand the Ummah is fragmented. That's why we are losing. Remember, I'm repeating the sentence. The Ummah is fragmented. That's why we are losing. Do not come and tell me that because of a difference I have with you in terms of jurisprudence or something to do with the details of a Shari'i matter, that I hate you. No way. That is from Shaitan. That is Shaitan's plot. Even if I differ with you, have I not uttered the Shahada? Do you not utter the Shahada? We have differences. We will respectfully discuss them if need be, but we will never make them a point of our split to the degree that we don't care for the Ummah anymore, because that's exactly what the enemy wants. And guess what? They have gotten us almost there. Why does the hadith say that Jama'ah, Salah in Jama'ah is better 27 times than Salah read on your own? Why? Why such a big reward multiplied 27-fold according to one of the narrations? Because there has to be something in it for the Ummah. Not just that you get together and because you are dressed differently, you look a little bit differently, I have already a preconceived hate towards you. Oh man, it can't work that way. We are part of the Ummah. The enemy is actually only aiming at those who are trying to bring the Ummah together. That's all. Nobody else. Go out on the globe and search who the enemy is aiming to hurt. They are only aiming to hurt those who are trying to bring the Ummah together. That's it. Go. I've checked it out myself. Anyone who's already divided, the enemy is excited and happy. They might even fuel that division to say, you know what, they are right. It's okay, that's the way. Because they know if these people are in small little groups, they're not going to solve any problem regarding the Ummah. If you think Gaza is just one problem, no, it's the beginning of the problem. Gaza is only the beginning. If the same enemy could, they would come for every one of us. And guess what? They are coming. Given the opportunity, they will come. If you haven't learned a lesson, may Allah forgive you and I. The only way we are going to be able to protect ourselves is through our togetherness. Together. And we need to change our lives. Well, I want to tell you something else. Allah has given each one of us different strengths. Some of you are physically more fit than I am. And you would be. Some of you have more wealth. Some of you perhaps have a better understanding, a greater brain. You have learnt more in a certain field. I might be brilliant in one thing, you might be brilliant in 10 things. Allah has created us differently. You have opportunities to do things that I don't, and I have the opportunities to do things that you don't. If you do not appreciate the uniqueness of the next man, you're not going to grow as an ummah. Do you think you're the only guy with a brain? Do you think you're the only guy who's understood the Quran and the Sunnah? Do you think it's the only understanding? Do you think just because Allah has made it easy for you to adopt 5 sunan, another person who's adopting another 5 sunan is not worth looking at because what he's doing I can't understand? Learn to appreciate each other. So my brothers and sisters, Musa alayhi salam, he suffered at the hands of the Pharaoh for many, many years. What was the Pharaoh doing? All the sins that you can think of, all the crimes. He was burying the children, he was killing the boys. He was so scared that someone was going to come and take away his throne. And with all of that, he started killing little boys, small boys. His tyranny was so extensive that they felt that perhaps it's never going to come to an end. The people who were with Musa alayhi salam, they felt, you know what, this man is going to be a tyrant forever and ever. They couldn't foresee, or they couldn't tell in the foreseeable future that there was going to be any solution to the problem. What did Allah do? Allah says, we took Musa alayhi salam and his people, Banu Israel, we took them across the sea. And Fir'aun followed them. Fir'aun followed them. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted the same sea to open up for 2 parties for 2 different reasons in a miraculous way. The first party who crossed moments before the second party crossed in order to be saved. And the party that crossed a moment later, the same water, crossed it in order to be destroyed by Allah. Imagine how Allah works. So when you look at something as a favor of Allah upon you, wallahi, there is a hairline between it being a favor of Allah and the punishment of Allah. That's why we always say, Allah gave you millions and billions. It could be a punishment, it could be a gift. How do you know? If you drifted away from Allah, it's a punishment. And if it brought you closer to Allah, it's a gift. The problem is actually a problem when you don't have a problem, but you are away from Allah. That's the problem. There we are. So Fir'aun, he was drowned. And he was drowned in a way that even the water spat him out, for him to remain to this day, for us to see not only how ugly he is, but at the same time how helpless a person who called himself God, na'udhu billah, so helpless that if you were to touch his skin, which they don't allow you to do, they say it would flake off, completely flake off, because it's been mummified. May Allah protect us. I mention this because while it may seem that there is no end to oppression and aggression, when you call out to Allah, Allah Almighty definitely is able and capable. It's a matter of time.